Before we proceed, please note that while AI is used to create this video, all information is manually researched by our team and it is not AI generated. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Fallout 76 error code 307. The error reads, "Error during Bethesda.net login. Restart Steam." As per our research, the error comes at the point when players try to open the game to play. Now let's come to fixes for the error. Before trying any serious solutions, close and restart Steam, then see if the error is resolved. If not, then close Steam and reboot your system. As a next solution, ensure that your account is linked. Simply go to Bethesda.net and log into your account. Then go to the linked accounts page and make sure your account is linked. If your account is linked but still seeing the error, then visit status.bethesda.net and check if all their services are up and running. If all their services are up and running but still getting the error, then make sure you don't have any pending updates for the game or the Steam. Thank you so much. This is all we have for this error. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.